Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Airtable. All right, just go ahead and log into your Airtable account. Now go ahead and go to a workspace like this one. Now what we're going to do in here is just go ahead over to the left panel and look for forms, all right, or form. Just click on the plus sign and click on create a form view or continue, all right. Say, for example, I'm going to click on create a form view. This is what it looks like, all right. And now you can go ahead and edit your forms from here. You could also create a form by clicking on the plus sign again, right here under form. Continue from here. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and add a cover image, but first you will need to upgrade to a business plan or a team plan. All right. Same goes to logo as well. I'll just go ahead and rename the form quickly, like new video form, like that. When we click on one source right here, under visibility, we can go ahead and change the conditions. All right. Like project description right here. When we click on the cogwheel, we have option for conditions and condition group. Fields right here, as you can see, we have the field 10 number and number 2. I'm going to show you quickly the grid view of this project, like this one. All right, as you can see, project title, description, start date, deadline, field 10, number and number 2. Okay, number and number 2 as well as tags. Now in here, you can go ahead and add in some more fields by going to the data section. Fields right here, click on the cogwheel and go ahead and add your field. All right. Group 1. This is under group 1 and hidden right here. You can go ahead and make it visible by just clicking on the show button. Okay. For example, script, like that script is added. If you want to delete it, go ahead and go to group 1. We have script right here and just go ahead and click on hide. Okay. If you want to allow users to print it, go ahead and tick this slider. Now, once you're done with everything, just go ahead and click on publish form. Permissions right here. Anyone on the web, anyone at a domain, or only users with base access. All right. From here, you can now go ahead and copy the link and send it to whoever you like. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.